Hello people, in this video I will be explaining you one of the most important library in Python, that is nothing but pandas. Like what is pandas? Why pandas? Pandas is a library for data manipulation and analysis in Python, guys. Like without pandas we cannot imagine like analysis in Python, and it's very difficult. With the help of pandas we can do it very easily and effectively. Okay, in the pandas, we need to discuss two important data structures. Okay, one is series, other one is data frame. First, I will concentrate on series, then I will come to data frame. You got it. So, like what exactly series is, and before that, let me know how to install. Let me tell you how to install pandas library. Like if you're already using Anaconda, you need not to install pandas library. Why? Because it is inbuilt. Okay, without Anaconda, just command prompt, like you need to say just pip install pandas. Okay, see here, pip install pandas. Mine is already installed, that's why we'll get, see what we get, requirement already satisfied. You got it. Like if you're not installed, you will get it. Okay, so what we need to open? We need to open Jupyter Notebook. We are writing Jupyter Notebook only now. In write Jupyter Notebook only now. So I'm opening Jupyter Notebook. Okay. Now once it is installed, what we need to do? Like NumPy, like pandas, like NumPy. What we did? In the same way, we need to do for pandas also. So new Python 3. So my library is installed. I need to import it. Okay, before that let me change into pandas 1. Okay, now let me import it. Import pandas as pd. Okay, my pandas library is imported. Now what I need to do? So today I will be explaining you about series. I told you, no, so I'm creating series object. Okay, just let me create a series object for car showroom, for example. Simple one I'm creating. Okay, car showroom. Okay, now we need to create using pandas series. Okay, I will be taking here data object and the index object, and the main difference between array and series is simple, guys. Like series is also one dimensional array only. Okay, but there in array we can take only one kind of data, right? But in series we can take any different data, and array does not contains index, guys. Okay, but series contains index. I'll show you, don't worry. Okay, so I'm taking two things, one is data and other one is index values. So I'm giving data as car showroom, the available cars I'm giving. Okay, for this I need to take list. So I'm taking as 10, 20, 30. I said any data, no, not available. I'm taking simply not available. Okay, available. Okay, now this is my data. I need to take index now. Okay, index. In index what I will take? I will take type of car. Okay, just BMW. Next I will take Benz, simple example. Next Swift. Okay, how many we took? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So here also we'll take 4 cars. Next something like Hyundai. Okay, spelling is correct, I guess. Okay, no problem. See, data is not defined. Why? Because why data is not defined here? Okay, here we missed equal to, we missed, guys. We need to mention it equal to. Here also we missed. Okay, now try to print the car showroom. Oh, better I'll copy. Shift enter. See. Okay, this we call it as index. Index, this one BMW, this one, and these are all values. Okay, this is one dimension only. One dimension we call it as series. But here index value it contains index value, which is not possible in one dimension array. You got it. Now we just try to print some values. Okay. Now what I will do is I'll just copy this. Already I think copied. Okay. Let's print shape of it. Dot shape. If you run, oh, we should take small value. Sorry, lowercase value. Okay, I typed blindly. You got it. So it means what it is saying. What it is saying, it has four things, four values. Okay. Now what we'll do, what like we can print what is the index values, what are the data inside it. Also we can print it simply. Okay, first we'll print like how many dimensions are there. Dot n dim. This, if you print this, you'll get the dimension. This is one dimension only, you know. That's why we got one dimension. And we can also print the size. How many values are there? Just 4. If you want, you can get index also. Okay, I'll just zoom it for the better understanding. You got it. Next we can print values also. I said no, values. Okay, values. And this is how we create series and we can perform these things. Just this is an introduction, like introduction session for the pandas. Okay, we'll learn some more things about series as well as data frames in the coming videos. Thank you guys.